Let's talk about multiplying monomials. We multiply monomials that are alike. Here, if they are alike, I mean that if it's the same variable times the same variable, the exponent can be different. So you can have x to the fifth times x to the fourth. Here, since the variables are the same, you multiply it. Basically, you just keep the common variable and add the exponents. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. Now, if they're unlike, if this is x squared times y, let's say times y to the third, that just becomes x squared times y to the third. And that's what I mean here. If they're unlike variables are listed next to or multiplied to the result. So just put them right next to each other, and that's it if they're unlike terms. You multiply the coefficients, and for the variables that are alike, you add the exponents. So look here, you have 5a to the third times 4 times a times 5, a to the fifth, excuse me, I can't even read. So 5 times 4 is 20. That's when I'm multiplying the coefficients. And then a to the fifth times a to the third times a to the fifth is a to the eighth, right? Here we add the exponents when we multiply. That's what I mean. If they're like terms, you add the exponents. 3 plus 5 is, wrong button. 3 plus 5 is 8. Come to this one. This is negative times a positive. 4 times 6, that's negative 24. This is x to the first times x to the first becomes x to the second. Right? 10 times 3 is 30. X to the third times x to the second is x to the 3 plus 2 is x to the fifth. Then y to the fifth times y to the third is y to the 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, that's about it. So we're not going to make it more than what it ought to be. Thank you. Now we'll look at the exercise in Plato.